loft. Hope you're having a great day. We got the young birds out. There's about 50 in the air right now. We got more young ones right here watching. I think there's 21 in here. And then there's 7, I think. Oh, 8 in there. And there's about 50 in the air right now. Alright, stay tuned for more. Okay guys, today's the 26th of April. Got some birds out. Well, we're gonna get all the birds out. Alright, stay tuned for more. And I'll show you guys when they're all grouped together. Hopefully they do that. Sorry. So we got some birds grouped together. Right now they're kind of scattered. They're over there. Still got some over there. So yeah, we got all these out. We got all these out, and there's still some on the roof and on the loft, the roof's loft, the loft's roof. I'm sorry. And then we got the young ones in the cage. So, yeah. So we've been getting our babies. There's a lot around here. They're scattered all over the place. But, yeah, look. There's a group right there. Pretty high up. And then the rest are just flying around. Okay guys, the rest of the birds are right here, sitting on the roof and on the landing board, and then the younger birds right here watching. Okay guys, we got all the birds back. We just got one left. Right now, it's flying by himself in the dark. But hopefully it comes in. So this is all of them right here eating. And that's all for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.